So the question number 1, a geographic region that has a separate but similar ecosystem characterized by a distinct climate is called a. Option number D is the right answer, biome. Question number 2, in astronomy, Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky that is easily identified by its cluster of how many bright stars? Option number D, 5. Question number 3. What is a raised area of land submerged in a particular river or lake called? Option number C, watershed. 4. Lanthanides along with which two elements are sometimes called rare earth elements? Option number C is the right answer, yttrium and scandium. 5. When trapped water in an aquifer is surrounded by layers of impermeable rock or soil which exerts positive pressure on the water, it is known as? Option number C, Artesian aquifer. 6. Which of the following generally form at the upper part of a river? Option number C, gorges. Question number 7. According to Köppen's climate classification scheme, which letter represents warm temperate climate? Option number B, C. 8. Tura is situated on which hill which comes under a mild extremely humid agroclimatic zone? Option number B, Garo Hills. 9. What is the drainage pattern of the rivers originating from the northern plains? Option number B, dendritic. Question number 10. A very heavy concentration of Malwa settlements of Chalcolithic period was found in the. Option number B, Central Narmada Basin. 11. The oceanic crust is mostly made up of different types of basalt, which extends how many kilometers beneath the ocean floor? Option number D, 5 to 10 kilometer. 12. When was the National Watershed Development Project for Rain-Fed Areas launched in India? NWDPRA. Option number D, 1990-91. 13. Which of the following rivers does not originate from the Peninsular Plateau? Option number B, the Gandak. 14. The Gulf Stream is the first warm ocean current in which ocean? Option number D, Atlantic Ocean. 15. Which of the following neighboring countries of India has the highest number of million cities? Option number C, Pakistan. 16. The asthenosphere is a mechanically weak layer beneath which part of Earth it is characterized by low seismic wave velocities and high attenuation. Option number C is the correct answer, lithosphere. 17. From which region is the westerly jet stream responsible for bringing western disturbances into the Indian subcontinent? Option number B is the correct answer, Mediterranean. 18. From which region of the Himalayas does the river Brahmaputra originate? Option number C, northern. 19. Which two water streams meet at Tandi near Kelong in Himachal Pradesh? Option number C, Chandra and Bhaga. 20. How many types of plate tectonic boundaries are there? How many types of plate tectonic boundaries are there? Option number D, 3. 21. Which of the following is the saltiest water body bordering Jordan in the east and Israel in the west? Jordan in the east, Israel in the west. Option number B, Dead Sea. 22. From where does the river Indus enter India? Option number D, Ladakh. 23. What is the meaning of geological time? Option number A is the right answer. Geological events over millions of years. Question number 24. On 20th July 1969, with whom did American astronaut Neil Armstrong become the first human to land on the moon? Option number C, Edwin Aldrin. 25. Dash is a type of carbonate sedimentary rock. It is mainly composed of the minerals calcite and aragonite. Option number A, limestone. 26. In geology, SEMA, the lower layer of Earth's crust, is made up of assemblage of rocks rich in dash and magnesium. These two minerals are the most abundant minerals in the oceanic crust. Option number B, silicate. 27. What is the process of ocean acidification? Option number C, decrease in pH due to carbon dioxide absorption. 28. The Nile River, located in Dash, has long been recognized as the world's longest river, extending 6,695 km. Option number B, Northeastern Africa. 29. In which of the following countries does the Brahmaputra river not flow? Option number C, Nepal. 30. Which climate zone is characterized by hot and humid conditions throughout the year? Option number A, tropical. 31. What is the concept of ecological niche? Option number A, ecological niche refers to a species specific role in an ecosystem. 32. What type of water body is formed when a river splits into several smaller channels as it approaches the sea? Option number D, delta. 33. In which type of climate are deciduous forest and tree shaded grasslands found? Option number C, tropical wet and dry climate. 34. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere is responsible for protecting life on Earth by blocking harmful terrestrial solar radiation? Option number A, stratosphere. 35. In the context of ecology, what is symbiosis? The process of photosynthesis, a close and long-term interaction between different species, competition between organism and organism for resources, random movement of organism in their habitat. So option number B is the correct answer. A close and long-term interaction between different species. 36. Which mountain range is triangular in shape with its apex at Ratnapuri, the other two sides parallel to Tapti and the holy Narmada river? Option number B, Satpura Range. 37. The Ganga Delta and coastal plains of which state are affected by storms with heavy rains almost every third of or fifth day in July and August? Option number A, Odisha. 38. Which physiographic zone of Uttarakhand is popularly known as Himadri? This zone comprises the Jaskar and section of the Great Himalayan Ranges. Option number B, Northern. 39. In a forest ecosystem of grass, impala, hyena, if all the hyenas are taken away, what will happen ultimately? Option number C, impala will die of starvation due to higher population. 40. Which of the following is a human-made water body created by blocking the flow of a river or stream? Option number D, reservoir. 41. Nilgiri is one of the oldest mountain ranges located at the tri-junction of which three states? Option number D, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. 42. What is the name of the southern half of the Pangaea supercontinent that existed about 300 million years ago? What is the name of the southern half of the Pangaea supercontinent that existed about 300 million years ago? Option number C, Gondwana. 43. The region of the Earth's atmosphere where weather events occur is known as the? Option number C, troposphere. 44. Which was an ancient ocean that existed approximately 250 to 50 million years ago before the evolution of Indian Ocean? Option number E, Tethys Sea. 45. Water cycle is the process by which water is circulated in the environment in different forms among? Among ocean, atmosphere and land. 46. The temperature does not fall beyond freezing point of water in the northern plains of India in winter because? Because the Himalayas prevent the cold Siberian winds from entering India. 47. How much of the world's water is estimated to exist as fresh water? Option number C, 2.5%. 48. Which are the two wettest places on earth that received more than 1080 semi of rainfall in a year? Option number C, Cherrapunji and Mochiram. 49. Which of the following water bodies typically has the highest salinity, dissolved salts? Option number D, ocean. 50. Which of the following can help in conservation of water? Option number B, rainwater harvesting. 51. What is the term used to describe the process by which the which water body, oceans, lakes and rivers is converted into vapor and rises into the atmosphere? Option number D, evaporation. Read the following statements. Statement 1. The process of vertical heating of the atmosphere is known as advection. 2. The transfer of heat through horizontal movement of air is called convection. Low winds in northern India during summer are caused by the advection. Which of the above statements is correct? Option number D is the correct answer. Only statement 3 is correct. Low winds in northern India during summer are caused by advection. 53. Name the Indian port that is the largest exporter of iron ore. Option number D, Marmagao port. 54. Which Indian state has the highest proportion of its workforce population engaged in agriculture? Option number B, Uttar Pradesh. 55. Which Union territory has the highest population density as per census 2011? Option number D, Delhi. 56. Which of the following rivers forms a delta along the eastern coastal plains? Option number D, Godavari. 57. Which of these rivers does not originate in the peninsular plateau of India? Option number B, Ganga. 58. What shape does a population pyramid take for a rapidly growing population? Inverted triangular shape, circular shape, triangular shape, rectangular shape. Option number C, triangular shape. 59. Which of the following plateaus is located in the northeastern part of India? Malwa, Deccan, Chotanagpur, and Shillong. Option number D, Shillong Plateau. 60. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of the western coastal plains? Option number D, lagoons and backwaters. Question number 61. Consider the following statements regarding the Ghaggar river system. The Ghaggar river originates from the Mamchangcho glacier in the Himalayas. It forms a deep gorge at Shishapani before entering the plains. It merged with the Ganga at Allahabad after receiving the Sharda river. Which of the above statements is correct? Option number B, only 1 and 2. 62. Which of the following statements best links a current conservation initiative for the Great Indian Bustard with its geographical location? Option number C. India's first successful artificial insemination of GIB took place in the National Breeding Center in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. 63. Which of the following statements are correct? Birth rate measures the number of children born per 1,000 people annually. Pull factors include opportunities that attract people to new regions. Death rate is always higher than birth rate. Push factors can include civil unrest and lack of jobs. Which of the following statements are correct? Option number C is the correct answer. 1, 2 and 4 only. 64. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere is primarily responsible for absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun? Option number B, stratosphere. 65. Which is the largest island of India in terms of area? Option number B, Great Nicobar Island. 66. Which Indian Union territory has the most scheduled castes? Option number A, Delhi. 67. The Alaknanda river originates from which of the following? Option number A, Satapant Glacier. 68. Which of the following is not a primary factor affecting the variation of insolation on Earth? Option number A, presence of water bodies in an area. 69. The western coastal plains are narrower compared to the eastern coastal plains because? Option number D, They are bordered by the Western Ghats. 70. Name the state which is the largest producer of lignite coal. Option number D, Tamil Nadu. 71. Which of the following statements best explains why certain regions exhibits high population density? Option A. Regions offering fertile land, favorable climates, abundant natural resources, and robust economic opportunities are most likely to have high population densities. Number 2. High population density is predominantly found in areas with poor infrastructure and limited access to essential services. Option C. Regions with limited natural resources tend to have areas with scarce natural resources have the higher population concentration because of greater competition for few materials. Option D. Areas characterized by mountainous terrain and arid climate often supports dense population because of their challenging living conditions. Here option number A is the right answer. Regions offering fertile land, favorable climates, abundant natural resources and robust economic opportunities are most likely to have high population densities. 72. If a person views on Earth from above the North Pole, he will observe that the Earth rotates in option number A, anti-clockwise. 73. Which Indian plateau is formed primarily by volcanic activity? Option number D, Deccan Plateau. 74. Read the given below statements carefully and choose the correct option. Assertion. The Chambal River is known for its badland topography called the Chambal Ravines. The Chambal flows through a deep gorge and arid terrain before joining the Yamuna. Option number B. Both A are true. A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 75. Consider the following characteristics. High moisture retaining capacity, often developing deep cracks during dry hot weather. Ideal for tea and apple cultivation due to high fertility and cold climate preferences. Rich in lime, iron, magnesia and alumina, but poor in phosphoric contents. Which of the above characteristics are primarily associated with black soils? Option number B, only 1 and 3. 76. Read the following statement. Statement 1. The temperature in troposphere decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters of height. The temperature in mesosphere starts to decrease with the increase in the altitude and reaches up to minus 100 degrees Celsius at around 80 kilometers. Which of the following statements is correct? Option number B, only statement 2 is correct. 77. The highest rainfall in India gets recorded in the Khashi and Jaintia hills. In which state will you find these hills? Option number A, Meghalaya. 78. Name the major coal producing region located in Telangana state. Option number A, Singarani coalfield. 79. Which of the following statements is true regarding India's rural and urban population trends from 1901 to 2011? The rural population has consistently increased in absolute numbers. The percentage share of rural population in total population has steadily declined. Urban population first exceeded 100 million in 1981. Option number B, all of the above. Match the columns. Column A, land use category. Column B, description shuffled. Miscellaneous tree crops and groves, culturable was wetland, current fallow other than current fallow. Land left fallow for more than 1 year but less than 5 years. Privately owned land under orchards and fruit trees. Land left uncultivated for every 5 years. Land left fallow for 1 or less than 1 year. Option number A is the right answer. A2, B3, C4, D1. A2, that means miscellaneous tree crops and groves, privately owned land under orchards and fruit trees. B3, culturable wastelands, a land left uncultivated for over 5 years. Current fallow, a land left fallow for 1 or less than 1 year. Fallow other than current fallow, uh, land left fallow for more than 1 year but less than 5 years. Question number 81. Which of the following factors contributes to the low child sex ratio in some economically developed northern states of India? Number 1. Increased accessibility to prenatal sex determination methods, high level of female literacy and empowerment, societal preferences for male children in inheritance and family support, strengthened enforcement of gender equal policies. Option number C, 1 and 3. 82. Match the column denudation process with column B, their driving forces or energy. Weathering, kinetic energy, mass movement, dash, erosion and transportation, denudation, overall process. You can pause the video and answer it. Yes, the right answer is option number A, A2, B3, C1, D4. A2, weathering, gravitational molecular stresses, chemical actions. B3, mass movements, gravitational force, erosion and transportation, kinetic energy, denudation, external forces acting on Earth's surface. 83. Name the state in which the Vitarkanika mangroves are located. Option number A, Odisha. 84. Earth remote sensing satellites are primarily designed to. Option number B, monitor weather, land use and environmental changes on Earth. 85. Which of the following states has the lowest population in India according to the 2011 census of India? Option number C, Punjab. 86. Which of the following correctly matches the population growth phase in India with its key characteristics? Which of the following correctly matches the population growth phase? Option number B, phase 3, 1951 to 1981, population explosion caused by falling death rate and high fertility. 87. Which of the following is an erosional landform created primarily by river action? Option number C, gorge. 88. Name the port that is privately owned by Adani Group. Option number D, Mundra Port, Gujarat. 89. Assertion. Migration can be driven by negative and positive circumstances. Reason. Push factors make individual migrate away from a region, whereas pull factors draws individuals to a region. Option number C, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 90. Consider the following statements regarding the evolution of India's major drainage system. Number 1. The ancient Indo-Brahma river is believed to have split into 3 major drainage systems over India over time. The Ganga and its Himalaya tributaries represents the central drainage system. The western drainage system consists of Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Which of the above statements is correct? Option number D, only 1 and 2. 91. Assertion. Migrants who enter a new country or region are called immigrants. Immigrants are people who leave their country to settle elsewhere. Choose the correct option. Option number B, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 92. How does the faint young sun paradox challenge our understanding of early Earth's climate? Faint young sun paradox. Option number C. It suggests that early solar output was too weak to prevent global freezing. 93. Read the following statement. Statement 1. Dystrophism include all processes that move, elevate or build up portions of Earth's crust. Statement 2. Exogenic processes derive their energy from the atmosphere influenced by solar energy and tectonic gradients. Which of the above statements is correct? Option number B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. 94. Which river is the main source of water for the Hirakud Dam? Option number A. Mahanadi. 95. Which of the following biosphere reserve is correctly matched with its state? Option number A. Sheshachalam Hills, Andhra Pradesh. 96. Which state has the lowest population in India? Option number C. Sikkim. 97. According to the census 2011, which Indian state or UT has no scheduled tribes? Option number C. Puducherry. 98. Which of the following statements correctly differentiates alluvial soil from red and yellow soils? Option number C. Alluvial, sandy loam to clay, red or yellow, sandy loam, less fertile uplands. Question number 99. Match the following ports or corridors, column A, with their strategic benefit to India. Column A, column B. It is 1 and it is 2 and that is 3. Chahabar Port, IMEC, Situate Port. Option number A is the correct answer. A3, Chahabar Port, access to Central Asia bypassing Pakistan. B1, IMEC, links India with Europe via Middle East. And Situate Port, new age of transportation between India to Southeast Asia via Mizoram Myanmar link. Question number 100. What is the primary reason for asymmetrical distribution of continents and ocean across the Earth's surface? Option number A. Seafloor spreading and plate tectonics. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.